become nature lovers. If you seek sunrise through forests, follow rivers across landscapes, and travel in search of quiet natural beauty, Ekta Nagar is waiting for you. This destination offers something equally extraordinary: a landscape where forests, rivers, gardens, and mountains exist in perfect harmony between the Satpura and Vindhya ranges. Ekta Nagar is where nature, wildlife, and serenity comes together for those who truly love the outdoors. Morning in nature, Arogya. Being your morning at Arogya, where wellness meets nature. Walk through lush gardens filled with medicinal plants, aromatic herbs, and vibrant greenery. This space celebrates the healing power of nature, offering peaceful pathways, shaded trees, and a calm environment to breathe, relax, and reconnect. As the day unfolds, explore the Sardar Patel Zoological Park. Spread across a vast natural landscape, it brings you close to animals and birds from around the world in thoughtfully designed habitats. Early hours fill the air with birdsong and movement, offering an immersive experience for wildlife enthusiasts, photographers, and explorers. Discover vibrant ecosystems across Ekta Nagar. The Miyawaki forest, a dense native woodland, creates a rich habitat for diverse fauna. The Valley of Flowers paints the riverbank with seasonal blooms, while the Cactus Garden showcases rare desert plants. At Ekta Nursery, learn about native species and sustainable landscaping. Pause at Vaman Vrikshvatika, where miniature trees create a serene artistic space. As evening arrives, the Narmada River transforms the landscape at Narmada Ghat. The Sulpaneshwar Mahadev Temple adds spiritual depth, while the Narmada Aarti fills the evening with light, devotion, and peace. For those who seek forests, rivers, and inspiring landscapes, Ekta Nagar offers a rare harmony of nature, wildlife, and culture. Come beyond the moment. Explore, breathe, and experience a destination where every moment feels alive. Ekta Nagar, where every view feels alive.